Hello everybody, this is going to be a video going over my helmet setup for my Sur-Ron. It's really universal for any motorcycle or dirt bike. You know, it doesn't matter what you're riding, you can still bash your brains out on the road if you take a hard spill, so helmets are essential. But I think I've got a above average helmet setup. So I'm just going to go over that with the Sur-Ron in the background. So this is an O'Neill helmet. Don't know the exact model, but I got it on Amazon for around about $200. It's got a nice sun visor that flips down with a switch on the side, so I very much like that. And then we've got the, you know, your typical, you know, what do they call it, visor. And then you got a sun visor up at the top too. There's options for adjusting airflow in the front, so this will move to block airflow. There's a similar adjustment inside, but the real star of this show is going to be this guy. It's called Max Tow. It's basically a Bluetooth communicator, so you can use it to communicate between riders. So if you got two of these, you got one on your helmet and one on your buddy's helmet, they can link up and have like intercom capabilities. That's a very nice feature, but I don't use it because I ride alone. I don't know anybody else with one of these. However, it does have two other functions as well. It has a camera, obviously. You may or may not already know a dash cam is absolutely essential to driving in a car or on a motorcycle, probably more important on a motorcycle or an electric bike in this case, because people are idiots, and when somebody hits you, it's good to have some video evidence of that. Additionally, it can help you in encounters with the police. Even though most police have body cams now, they get to choose when they turn on and off their body cam, so you want to have your own record. And even then, the police may not release body cam footage to the public for certain incidents, so you want to have your own backup video footage, and this will let you do that on just on your helmet. It's not the best camera angle. If you want, you know, sort of a camera angle for, like, if you're going to upload YouTube videos and stuff, you're going to want to get a GoPro and have that mounted on the center. You can either mount it down here on the chin part or on top of the helmet. Both of those are good mounting spots, but you want it centered. This is not centered. That camera is kind of wonky and off to the side, so not really ideal if you're trying to get high quality video, but it works just to cover your ass in event of an emergency. I'll probably upload some footage from that in the future, just because I have it and I don't really care how high quality my videos are. If you want to watch them, you can watch them. If you think they're too low quality to watch, then that's okay. And then the final feature that this has is Bluetooth music capability to your phone, as well as phone calls. So basically this device will Bluetooth connect to your phone, and then this wire here runs inside the helmet, where right here you have a microphone, and then you got some speakers under the ear pads. You can't really see them, but they're under there. So that lets you play music into your helmet, and it gives you nice easy control on the side here for skipping songs, adjusting volume, pausing the music. You really don't want to have Bluetooth earbuds on inside of your helmet, because that's going to give you issues, because you can't hear anything and you can't take them out. So even if you pause the music on your phone, you're not going to be able to hear very much since your ears are plugged and you have a helmet on. So highly recommend that if you want to listen to music. Bluetooth earbuds are just not a good solution. It is dangerous in my opinion, so just invest in something like this. This whole setup costs like just the recording device with the Bluetooth and everything, that costs about $140, which is pretty cheap in the grand scheme of things. I found it on Amazon. It's called Max Tow. So highly recommend that. That's just my helmet setup here. I think it's pretty nice. I sort of wanted an intermediate between a helmet you would wear for like dirt biking, where you can have goggles, and then a helmet that you would more see on the street. So I think this does both pretty well. I'm sure you can find some helmet snobs that, you know, think you should go spend $1,000 on a helmet, but this was about $200 just for the helmet, and it served me well. Very comfortable. It's got good airflow, so you're not gonna fog up too much. Not so great in the cold with the airflow, but you know, if you don't want to be cold, then you shouldn't ride a dirt bike in the winter. That's my advice. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you come back for more future videos. Please leave a like and comment as many times as you possibly can. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.